Hi everybody, it's Stacey from LoveHealth.us.
What do we have here? A lectin free banana cake. Plant paradoxers, stay tuned.
Okay, here's the recipe. You need some bananas, butter, eggs, coconut flour, almond flour, sea salt, baking soda, vanilla, cinnamon, and raisins, walnuts, or chocolate chips, your choice. So I do that, and then I use Taylor's gluten-free recipe, just kind of following those directions on the bottom. But I like to just mix the wet ingredients and then mix the dry ingredients and then blend them together. And that's it. And I didn't have chocolate chips. I ran out of the soy-free chocolate chips, so I just used some Green and Blacks organic and chopped it up myself. Here it is, folks. I'll let you know how it is as soon as I taste it. Let's see how yummy this is going to be. Made it really moist that time. 350 for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Go by smelling how it looks and, stick a knife in the middle. Good. All right, everybody. Lectin free, almost Dr. Gundry approved. He just doesn't like all that sugar, so keep the sugar low. Don't have too much. Small piece after dinner is good for you. Post that recipe and a lot of other good stuff about the plant paradox on my website, LoveHealth.us. See you there. Live it up. Love you, mean it. Bye.